Justice Saleh Shuaibu of a federal high court in Kaduna has fixed July the 6th to deliver judgment in the suit filed by the leader of the Islamic movement in Nigeria, Ibrahim El-Zakzaky, against the Nigerian army, the chief of army staff, and 3 others. Sheikh El-Zakzaky alleges that the defendants violated his fundamental rights, destroyed his house, and killed his 3 children. However, he is seeking a sum of 2 billion naira in damages from the Nigerian army. Counsel to the defendants argued that the suit lacks merit since a judgment has been passed by another federal high court sitting in Abuja in a similar case by the same group.
The proceeding here is asking for damages over houses or properties to have been destroyed. We are now saying this court was not empowered by the Constitution to try this kind of a case. This court, by virtue of Section 251, has enumerated jurisdictions. Those things the court can sit on, they are well defined. This issue of murder as well as destruction of properties are not part of those things that this honorable court can try.
We have demonstrated to the court that the entire case we filed in Abuja relates to the detention of the Sheikh and his wife and had nothing to do with the events that occurred in Zaria. And we also demonstrated to him that no part of our declarations or orders we sought for talked about issue of providing accommodation for the Sheikh. That it was the Honorable Justice Kolawole on his own, based on his inherent jurisdiction and the provisions of the Fundamental Rights Enforcement Procedural Rules, that decided to modify our Prayer 5 before him on grounds that since the respondents in the matter before him did not deny that they had destroyed the house of the Sheikh, that it will not be right for him to just order his immediate release so that and then he becomes homeless. It was on the basis of that that he decided that he made what I call a consequential order, that the State Security Service and the Attorney General of the Federation should provide an accommodation for him pending the time he sorts out himself with the suit pending before this court.